Good day, beautiful people, and welcome, fellow South Africans. Today, we are gonna make pineapple beer. Pineapple beer. For this recipe, we will need 4 pineapples, 5 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a packet of yeast. Sharp knife, chopping board, and a cooler box, as well as a 5-litre container to store it in afterwards. You have a pineapple! Let's start off first by taking your pineapple, chopping off the heads, like so. Woo! Next step is to chop these into cubes. So what I'll do, I'll cut it into a star. We'll cut it into quarters. Sorry, my bad. We'll cut it into quarters. Cut those in half. Once you've done that, cut them into cubes. Okay, now what we'll do is put them in your cooler box. Why we're putting in the cooler box is because it will sit there and ferment properly. And there's enough space so you can pour it in afterwards. But make sure your cooler box is clean.
So now, once you chopped up all your asses, once you chopped up all your pineapple into cubes, what you'll need to do is throw in your sugar. It's a lot of sugar, guys, damn. But, good thing about that, it's low in calories. How is it low in calories? Is that the yeast actually breaks up the sugar and that's how it combusts. No, I lie. That's how it ferments. And by keeping the skin on the pineapple, it actually produces natural yeast from the pineapple. Before you add your yeast, what's
yeast, not yeast.
Okay. Yeast. Before you add your yeast, what you'll need to do is add some boiling water into the cooler box. But what I've done, so I don't burn the cooler box, is basically boil the water and let it sit for a little bit. So I'm going to carry on adding that and let it cool down before I add the yeast.
Now that I've added my brown sugar and my cinnamon to my diced pineapples in my cooler box, I'm going to add warm water, 4 litres in fact of warm water, and then add my yeast and mix that stuff up. Tip. So what the warm water will do is actually dissolve the brown sugar and activate the yeast. Add all your water, your 4 litres of water, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up until you make sure that your sugar is all dissolved and ready. Once that's done, all you need to do is add your yeast, but make sure it's not too hot, just needs to be warm. Stir it up again. Once it's all stirred up, you'll need to tape it up. Oh my word, smell it. It smells amazing.
It smells like a pineapple pastry.
Okay, you gotta make sure that all your yeast is dissolved. Even if you want to, you can bruise your pineapple as well.
Some people blend it as well.
Yeah, as optional. All that's done. So what we're gonna do now is basically leave it to sit for 3 days and we'll get back to you. Once this is all done, which I'll post a video next week, I'll tell you how it tastes, but it smells magnifique amazing.